Meaning of jigsaw.
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 Jigsaw. The word jigsaw can have multiple meanings depending on the context, but its most common definition refers to a type of saw which uses a reciprocating blade to cut intricate curves and designs in wood or other materials. Jigsaw can also refer to a puzzle consisting of irregularly shaped pieces that must be fitted together to form a complete picture or structure. Lastly, jigsaw can be used as a verb, meaning to assemble or piece something together in a fragmented or complex manner.